guess you'll find
breakthrough.
if you don't lose
What's real?
You have our blessing.
But now you gotta find your tongue, feel that cold blood running down your face. Spiders, 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 spiders. You drink yourself sideways to try to replace. Front turn, down birth, you would hurt the beast you'll never take. But now you found someone to hold, and come to leave you empty and alone. Spiders, 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 spiders. You got the fever, girl, and I've got the fever. We got the fever, girl, and we're cursed to the bone. Spiders, 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 spiders.
Left my wood paneling on the embassy coat rack. Where is mankind? My big black behind. Follow your star. Play your guitar. I said Candyland, he said Toyland.
Queen Frostina, Levantine, Marzipan. Adam.
I forgot.
Everybody scream louder. Lick their shot and smell the gunpowder.
Come on. Yeah. On and 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 on. Freestyle flow to make the crowd just go. The old to the new to the old. The rhythm be working up on me. The crowd be jumping up on me. The people are waiting up on me to enter the stage in the rage. Mad lions out the cage. Now it's time for me to engage and bear witness. The lyrical fitness, the jumps, the dives, the leaps. Are you getting this? Next to step up, microphone check up. KRS-One, so come and get your wreck up.
Our mother who art in heaven, number 7 is the weapon with the goddess. I'm stepping lyrically, I'm never begging, you know. I'm the difference between Indo and oregano. Imagine how fresh I am now, made these lyrics up a year ago. So report back, it was fat, thick, all that quick. Pump that drop, that's hit. I'm lyrically physically fit. Catch me bugging on the mic every day and every night, every hour, every second minute. Don't stop, get it, yes, admit it. When I'm way up in it, you can't hide, cause my radar's going bip, 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 bip. I reside in the watchtower, watching MCs land. Your career will be as short as my part, and who's the man? Goddamn, I'm the pinnacle, yes, the metaphysical. Come to you as the rap god of lyrical syllable. Fall to your knees, bring fruit, ask advice. Put your rhymes on the altar, burn them as a sacrifice. The aroma reaches up to my nostril, I get hostile. Your lyrics are stiff like David Copper. Yes, Premier rocks the track on time. KRS-One went off the top of the head bomb. Yeah, Fat Joe, you know you gotta flow. My man Dougie Fresh down with the one called KRS. We got the mad MCs up in the D&D. I'm out, G. 1, 2.
Yeah. Motherfuckers know who's the best. If it ain't Fat Joe, then it must be Lord Finesse. Think not to show what you got, but don't grab this mic, the shit's too hot. I'm a born killer, nigga from the Bronx. Rappers talk shit, but there's really no pumps. Bring it on if you think you can hang, and if not, then let me do my thing. Yeah, to Smith & Wesson, if you're down with me, represent one time on the MIC.
Mr. Ripper, get your gear and prepare for war.
Mr. Fixer, you ain't gotta tell me no more. It's what I see on the daily. Deals with reality, so come follow me on this journey.
Brooklyn, where the crooks dwell and the products overlooking. In the form of a street, you know them well.
Bet your ass this grass is greener
Then the 20 sack of cents a
Brought
meter.
straight from Medina.
You know the vibe.
With Smith & Wesson, twist up the tie.
These are my people in the
These are
field.
my heads in the sky.
We do or die to test your stamina. So any challenger, we pass a motherfucker off to the damage.
Super scientific madness. My status is the baddest every time I bless the apparatus. You wish to take me out, so you study. Meanwhile, my clothes, mics and foes are left bloody. Cruddy, filthy from the ground on up. When I plan my attack, I doubt that you're ready. Rain on competition like razor sharp confetti. Kung fu techniques from the perverted monastery. Seafood room manipulates the microphone while rhymes like bullets penetrate your zone. We bring more drama than Kevin Costner. No, I'm not Jamaican, but yes, I'm a Rasta. Yo, we out. D&D All-Stars, you know what I'm saying? We about to make like a bag check and bounce, as my man Mr. Dave would say. We keep it moving. Peace.